Hello, I'm in the town of Tonola, which is a suburb of Guadalajara, and it is the wholesale market. This is where all the factories that make everything, all the arts and crafts are made here and they're sold. There's streets after streets after streets of stores, factories, people who are putting up booths to sell absolutely everything you can think of. Things are starting. This is a wholesale market, although individuals do come in. It's a wholesale market, and all the stores in Chapala and Ajijic and Tlalpaque and all the other stores come here, and they're loading up inventory for next week, which is called Buen Fin, which is the Mexican version of Black Friday. So there's going to be a lot of shopping next weekend, and so therefore all the people are coming here to buy all the goods that they want at wholesale level. One street over or two streets over, we're going to see all of the Christmas decorations and Christmas trees. They're already starting Christmas here. Everybody's already decorating. It's just incredible. And I'm here with my good friend, Gina Tello. She's getting a little sip right now to buy something to drink. And I'm just walking around with her. I bought 2 wine glasses and I bought a couple Christmas decorations. These are the actual factories, outlets, as well as a bunch of people selling from little tents on the street. So this is a little corner, a little patio, and there's factories here who are selling some beautiful mosaics, stained glass, beautiful work, a lot of expensive high-end work, as well as inexpensive things that you would buy on the street. So this is the town of Tonola, on the outskirts of Guadalajara. Gina, say hi. Greetings from Mexico. This is Life in Paradise. Bye-bye.